What's up, everybody? It's Kitten again, and today I'm going to go to the beach with my friends, and I'm gonna be vlogging throughout the day.
So we're at Little Caesars getting pizza.
Wait, let me show the sign. To have proof. Say welcome to my crib.
Yeah. What pizza are we getting? Pepperoni?
Say welcome to my crib.
Oh, welcome to my crib. These are designer seats. Gucci.
Ask if Luis is here.
Wait, is that him on there?
You guys gonna get pizza?
Yeah.
Are you going?
Yeah.
What time?
Well, we're after work. They're gonna go pick me up.
What time do you get out?
At 3.
Oh, not. Oh, we can just wait for him.
At 3? Oh, come on, has to go already. That's fine.
Wait, is there discounts or no?
I'm not cashier.
Do it for the vlog. Do it for the brownies and the soda.
We're all set.
We're all set. Hey, let's get our slice.
Hmm?
Are you done to get a slice? Because I'm slice. Ask her if she wants a slice. Ask her if she wants a slice.
Mom, ¿quieres un pedazo de pizza? No. ¿Ahorita? ¿Sí? No? Okay.
Wait, for
Ahorita?
us? For us?
Morning.
Okay. Vamos a la playa. Si quieres puedes dar la vuelta.
Eyebrows on fleek. The fuck?
Oh yeah.
Where's McDonald's? What happened? Wait, hold on. I like the back.
What are you doing?
Like the palm trees. They look
Oh,
good.
just like back of my car. I'm like, thanks.
The pizza.
Oh.
Pizza. Wait, look.
Wait, you guys went to Luis's job, huh?
Yeah, we saw him.
Look.
You guys
Oh, party bus.
Wait.
Party bus.
Another
my God,
McDonald's moment.
Another McDonald's moment.
It's a party bus, Mom.
I don't know, I just
Put
like
your...
Carlsbad's nicer. It's like better.
Why
than...
is there so many people here?
Because it's
It's
the
a
beach.
Saturday. It's what is Saturday? Saturday.
Another
It's Saturday.
McDonald's
You
moment.
know how much these cost?
They're expensive.
Hello, ladies. Are y'all single tonight?
No. She's old. Ah.
Wait, hold on. That looks cool. Look. Oh my god, look. Look how it looks. Like,
Oh my God.
look.
Behind the scenes.
Oh my god, look.
Oh my God.
What happened?
Is that guy? Wait.
That guy. McDonald's, Mom.
That kid Danny?
Another McDonald's moment.
When is that video gonna be up?
I know, bro.
I'll let you.
Look
It's
at
gonna be a surprise.
Look at all them chickens.
Chicken everywhere.
So you're talking about the... No, never mind. Never mind.
Okay, hey guys, so we're here, and a bird just bit off the slice of pizza.
Shut up.
Hey, and
A
took
bird?
three.
A bird?
If that bird's name was Danny.
Danny, then it, yeah. No, she got some too, cabrona.
You poked her head, but you.
So we're at the beach. Each, let's
Each
take it
of
away.
it.
Say what they're gonna say. Drink.
Drink, bad, but like that. Like me, shots, gonna bite the trunk. Oh, let's get it up.
Guess. ¿Qué son esos?
Stop 3 toes!
Okay, I have my own voice.
Me too. Your phone counts. Okay, now we're here at the beach. Each.
I can't walk.
I can walk. Oh heck no! Oh fuck no! Dude, it looks better here. Like the water looks clear. The water looks clear and pretty.
So nice. It's like
Look,
Hawaii.
yeah. Like Hawaii.
Like Hawaii.
Like Hawaii. McDonald's moment. Borrego. Hey, taco. Taco la Jenny.
Taco la Jenny.
Taco la Tavera. What are you doing? But it's aqua.
Oh my God. You're in the water with me.
It's aqua. What? ¿Qué son esos?
They're my toes.
¿Qué son esos?
I think it's sand crabs.
Where?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? What are you?
You're pigeoning. How do you
My
laugh?
friend called them dinosaurs.
You are a dinosaur.
Hey, can you split
I should
your
have brought
toes? Can you split your toes?
Yeah,
Yeah.
look. Stop. Okay, so we're here at the beach. We're getting away. They say what they gonna say.
Drink.
Green, founded by the light, vibe, which is like me. It's hard to combine. With the Tron, oh, let's go get the zone. The zone, oh, yes, I'm in the zone.
Is it 2,
3, leave a good tip. I'll blow my money. Yeah, I'm on the floor. Oh no, I'm not in. Oh heck no.
The water is so nice, Daddy.
Yeah, they're right there. I just went to the bathroom, which is up there. But yeah, we're having a good time. Okay, let's run with these chanclutas. Kyle, zapateale, go. Oh my, you scared me. Hey, ¿qué son esos?
I know. They're my toes.
¿Qué son esos? Say hi to the vlog.
No.
Hey,
Mine are better.
¿qué son esos? Hey, to him. To the little boy. To him. Yeah, that's your man. Go. Hello, ¿qué tal, perrón? Que viene la gente de muy agua. De muy agua. Vamos a bailar.
The
who?
fucking dinner.
With the bonfire? Or what was this occasion?
It's like a. It's really interesting.
Like a quinceañera. I was kidding.
Like a gathering.
A quinceañera at the beach, actually. But we dried ourselves almost halfway there.
I'm like halfway naked, but it's gay.
¿Qué son esos?
They're my toes.
And that's the sun. When's golden hour?
Like right now.
Like at 8, and it changed. Oh, it's kind of. I think it's almost there.
I know.
We're back and better. Oh look, my fans. Oh look. What is this?
Ooh.
Do you see that? I don't. It's oil. It's sweat.
It's grease.
It's the air. I said air conditioning. I meant the. Cut that. Yes. It's a video. Golden hour. Is it really gold?
Yeah. Look
It's
at
because the sun has to be like more gold.
Bitch is golden hours.
Oh, snap. Oh, snap. I see you with my eyes. So it's almost golden hour.
Almost.
Is it? I feel like it is, but I feel like it needs to be more orangey. More orange. To the dog. Behind us. Oh no. What time is it?
La hora del sol.
Well, I don't see no sun.
I know. What the fuck?
Según era la hora del sol. But enjoy these palm trees. While they're still here.
I heard they're bulldozing it all down.
Oh no. Tear.
Well, if I don't see anybody I know. I'm like,
Ask her what she's doing. Hey. Oh, I see you. Alright, so now we're just kicking it. These are some ugly trees, excuse them. We'll go to the palm trees right now. What is this?
what is this?
Oh, what is oh my god.
Oh my god.
No sabe.
God bless you.
Carlsbad.
Where's that painting with the little
It's Carlsbad, huh?
Yeah.
We passed. It's like you see what I see? The telephone. You saw, right?
Pictures?
Pictures? Nah. I'm just kidding.
No, where's the one with the doggy? No, with the the wolf?
You know what I'm thinking? Okay. So should we cross like that or like that?
No, straight.
No, because over there there's a mural.
Over there.
There's a mural over here, yeah.
But where's like the tiger one?
It's like so we're crossing the street and spin.
Oh yeah.
Yes, beach. And yeah. Everybody's pigeoning, but it's okay. Our fans. Surfboard quinceañera. I'm just kidding. Oh, that'd be a cool theme. Oh look, the ukulele. Jennifer. Oh, Jennifer. They have sockets. They have sockets. Oh, where are you going, homegirl? So that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe. And until next time, Jenny Kid and Jennifer, bye. Out. Phew.